and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Okay guys, so a lot of times having a home decor channel, sometimes we show the biggest rooms, the most beautiful rooms, the most elevated rooms that we can find just as a source of inspiration. But this is a video that leans more towards the more realistic side of things. Not all of us have the sprawling mansions. Some of us just have regular houses with elongated bathrooms just like these. So if you have a long, narrow bathroom, definitely keep watching. This video is for you. Now, having a really elongated, narrow bathroom can be a little bit tricky sometimes. So people have really long bathrooms like this for a multitude of reasons. One, they are designing a home and this is kind of the space that's left to put a restroom in, so they have to use it and make it functional. Or a lot of times we're just moving into a home that this is already built in, so we have to find a way to really make it work for us and our families. So let's go ahead and get into some tips and tricks to share if you have this type of bathroom, just to make it a little easier for you. Number one, patterns can be your friend. Whether it's a patterned wallpaper or patterns on your tile on the floor or even tiles on the walls, you don't have to be scared of patterns. I know that we've always heard if it's a big, large room, you can go ahead and do your patterns, but if it's a small room, it's best to be monotone and one color. And so many people are proving that that whole philosophy is really outdated. Having patterns in your room, having that bold accent is going to draw people's eye to that accent and not necessarily to the size of your bathroom. Tip number two is don't try to cram too much stuff in your bathroom. Also, try to use some multi-usage type appliances, right? So here's what I mean by that. The most obvious usage is the tub and shower combo, where your shower is actually in your tub as well. So that's just taking up one piece of square footage in your bathroom, and you don't have two separate things going on. But you can go a lot deeper than that. Some people put actual shelving in their shower, so you don't have to have shelving on one of the exterior walls like in your bathroom. Is actually in your shower tucked away. I've even seen showers that have a toilet towards the very end of it, so once again you have two or three things going on in that one space, and you don't have to worry about a lot of things and pieces cluttering up your bathroom. Also, I think a good tip is to opt for a bathroom vanity that has the storage underneath. The footprint that your vanity has is going to be there anyway, so you might as well maximize that storage, and you won't need a shelving rack in your bathroom as well, taking up even more space. Even though we've only talked about a few little surface things so far, in my opinion, the key to a successful long, narrow bathroom design really starts with optimizing the layout. Now, if you are renovating your bathroom or designing your home, this is something that you have a ton of control over, but most people are buying a home that's already made or just renting. But there's still a few things that you can do. The first thing would be to consider installing a floating vanity or shelving to create a sense of openness and still giving you some storage. Also, mirrors really strategically placed can help reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Remember that tip because we use that tip quite a bit. Mirrors can work miracles in a room with making it look brighter and more open. So even though we talked about using patterns or bold colors in your long, narrow bathroom that is usually somewhat on the smaller side, some people are still not super comfortable doing that, and that's completely understandable. So if you are in that camp, why not go the light, airy route? Light colors like soft neutrals or pastels can really visually expand a narrow space anyway, making it feel more airy and spacious. You can incorporate a lot of lighting if you don't have a good lighting from a skylight or a window, and it can be anywhere from overhead lighting to even a lamp or sconces or recessed lighting to really brighten up the room and eliminate a lot of the shadows that's going to make the room look smaller anyway. So now let's talk about some storage solutions. With very limited width in your long, narrow bathroom, really, vertical storage solutions are going to be your best friend here. Think about it. You don't have a lack of space going up, you have a lack of space going from side to side. So utilize tall cabinets or shelving units to really maximize the storage without having to sacrifice any more floor space. You get bonus points if you do a long row of tall floating shelves that are going to attach to your wall, so you're really not sacrificing any floor space. Consider built-in niches or over-the-toilet storage for added convenience and even more places to stash all of your goodies. So one of my last tips would be similar to something that we've already discussed. It's about choosing accessories that serve a dual purpose. Now, I know we've talked about having the big appliances that serve dual purposes, but this is something that anyone can do and it's totally rental friendly. So if you have a towel rack, make sure you grab one that has hooks or multi-tiered organizers. That way, not only are you hanging your towels there, but you can hang other things as well, maybe even clothes, and you have tons of rows to put things that you would normally use, cleaners, body washes, face scrubs, whatever, there as well. So if you are renting, things like a small shelf to fit between the vanity and the toilet to give you more storage would definitely work. Even a corner shower rack that you can put essentials that you use in your shower, that would be great. But if you are renovating or you own your home and you are building it from the ground up, you can definitely have a lot more fun with this. Something like a corner shower that gives you a little more room in your bathroom, or even a slim profile toilet will all help to optimize every inch that you have. Okay guys, so thanks for watching the video. I just wanted to show you a few of my favorites. First off, I love all of the black trim in this bathroom and I love that patterned floor. It just shows that you can still really have fun in a smaller space. Now I also love this room for the same reason. I love a good funky color palette and wallpaper, and this did not disappoint. I also love those stackable washer and dryer there in the corner. Of course, I love a good wood look. I'm actually getting more into wood, but it's starting to grow on me. Love the frame of the shower, and I love how they've created this shelf kind of in the corner there that ordinarily would have been unused space. And lastly, this room is it's just cute to me, and I adore any room that has a mini chandelier, but that's probably just me. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.